Let's get started. Open up your Oreo pack. We'll need 30 Oreos in total. I know it's tempting to eat some, but stay strong. Now, separate the cookies from the filling. Cookies in one bowl, cream in another. It's a bit of a fun mess, but totally worth it. Okay, that's the first pack done. Let's open the second one. Now grab a big Ziploc bag and toss in the Oreo cookies. Seal the bag tightly and start crushing them into small chunks. You can use a rolling pin, your hands, or if you're feeling fancy, just use a blender. Less arm workout. Once everything's nicely crushed, pour the cookie bits into a large mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give that a quick mix. Now add all the Oreo filling back in, followed by 1 cup of milk. Mix until smooth. It should turn into a rich, chocolatey batter. If you're licking the spoon already, no judgment here. Next, take a 7-inch baking pan and butter it well. Don't forget the sides. Add a piece of parchment paper to the bottom so nothing sticks. Now, pour in the Oreo batter and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your oven. By the way, where are you watching from? Drop your country in the comments. I love seeing where this cake travels. Once it's baked, let the cake cool for a bit in the pan, then take it out and let it cool completely before glazing. Now for the chocolate ganache, my favorite part. Start by boiling some water on the stove. In a separate bowl, add 100 grams of dark chocolate and 50 grams of butter. Place the bowl over the boiling water and melt everything together gently, stirring until smooth. Time to glaze the cake. Pour that glossy ganache right over the top and spread it all around, sides too, if you like it extra chocolatey. Finish it with a few chocolate bits or crushed Oreos for decoration. Cut yourself a slice or two. And enjoy every bite. If you're loving these easy sweet recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow Oreo fan. And tell me in the comments, would you make this for yourself or someone special?